Many people experience the ongoing negative effects of trauma in their life, even when they do not remember the specific details of what happened. Unresolved trauma can express in a person's life in a myriad of ways. You may recognize some of these expressions in your own life, or you may have observed them in other people's lives when they unconsciously attract and feel stuck in repetitive negative scenarios, such as ongoing financial loss, going from one toxic relationship into another, feeling undervalued at work, feeling rejected by a loved one, unrequited love, and so on, feeling sad and burdened, replaying painful experiences in the mind, experiencing heightened sensitivity to noise, light, odours, or certain types of food, experiencing sensory overload, needing to avoid crowded places or avoid driving, feel like crying without any apparent reason, feeling overwhelmed by normal daily activities, feeling full up and unable to cope, experiencing ongoing health issues or feeling a sense of loss that just won't go away, feeling vulnerable, feeling disengaged from life. What causes trauma? Trauma can result from a negative experience that can range from mildly to severely distressing. A person can be affected by a personal trauma or by a collective traumatic event that occurs in a community or on a global level. Some examples of events that can cause a person to experience personal trauma are job loss, illness, financial hardship, unpredictable changes at home or work or school, sexual abuse, bullying, relationship breakup, loss of a loved one, feeling isolated, disempowered, not feeling heard or humiliated, going through a crisis, and so on. A person can experience some degree of collective trauma when watching violent or sad or horror movies, or reading bad or shocking news, hearing about local or global disasters, or seeing true or fictional imagery that portrays human suffering, and exposure to distressing content on social media, etc. There are 7 types of fundamental trauma that we can experience, and most people suffer from a combination of them. The negative impacts of trauma are held in our energy field, the aura, and attract similar negative scenarios into our lives until the trauma is cleared. First light flower essences of New Zealand fern essences, numbers 37 to 43, in the Life Trauma set help to clear these 7 types of trauma from your aura, from your energy field. In the First Light Ferns Life Trauma course, you'll discover how to identify the 7 different types of trauma and how to clear, repair, and restore the aura to its pristine state. This will enable you to start attracting what you want into your life instead of unconsciously drawing in what you do not want. With the knowledge you gain in this course, you can move out of survival mode, create financial stability, stop being emotionally reactive, feel emotionally fulfilled, feel empowered, trust yourself, have a clear sense of direction, live authentically, have a sense of control and purpose in your life. The First Light Fern essences are universal, totally natural, non-intrusive, and cost-effective holistic healing tools that can support adults, teenagers, children, and babies. No matter where you are in the world, I know by undertaking this course, you can change your life in a myriad of positive, and exciting new ways. Learn more about this course on this page and use the button at the bottom of the page to enroll.